Hi everyone, good morning. How have you been? It's the 5th day of Simbang Gabi and my 5th day of waking up at 3 a.m. Simbang Gabi is a devotional 9-day series of masses attended by Filipino Catholics in anticipation of Christmas. It's my way of giving thanks to the Lord for another happy and fulfilling 12 months of my life. But of course, it's different for a lot of people. I attend Mass around 4 a.m. in the morning and finish around 5 a.m. Just perfect for that morning taho. Right after Mass, I sit down and write my to-dos and take a quick breather before I fully start the day. After that, I get ready for the gym for a 30-minute run. I'm also trying not to overdo it in the gym this past few days since I don't get enough sleep at night and I still want to have a productive and fulfilling day ahead. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but today is also the first day of my holiday leave. So I spent it with my best friend shopping, trying on clothes, and also pampered myself with mani and pedi plus a foot spa. And right after, I went home and finally started wrapping my presents. And if you're anything like my family who opens gifts with the extended family on New Year's Eve, then these are the perfect last minute presents for your loved ones. For example, is this set of ceramic mugs and saucer from Everyday PH, which is perfect for coffee lovers, which I'm pretty sure we have so much of those here. It's ceramic and it has this very slick texture. You can definitely tell it's well made. They have a variety of colors that you can choose from. I'll definitely link them in the description box below. It also comes with free sticker sheets, but I also included my Christmas freebies, which you would get if you order any sticker sheets from my shop. Next are for our fashion-minded friends an accessory that is used a lot of the time, maybe for styling or for protection from the sun, and that's our TIJN eyewear that complements almost every outfit. And they are also today's sponsor. TIJN is a brand that promotes sustainable eyewear and clothing, and they do so in the most fab manner, creating magical pieces for every mood and style. Plus, a good news to that is they are currently on sale and is offering $15 off on all their products if you use the code NY2022. Remember, it's NY2022 for $15 off on all your purchases. They also have clothing products, not just eyewear, but for this particular gift, I'm adding this maroon Sunies with a very sleek design, perfect for daily use. Next is for my brother's girlfriend. I got her a nude or cream sandals from Celine. The box got brutally beaten down during shipping, which is why I'm wrapping it over with a wrapping paper that I purchased on Shopee. It's pretty perfect for her style since it's a bit basic but still very elegant, perfect for work or date nights. And last, of course, I won't forget our stationery lovers, sticker sheets from my shop. I just finally restocked my stickers plus introduced new quality design and materials. You can also get your very own customized sticker sheets by sending me a DM over on Instagram or emailing me the sample products or sample photos that you wanted for your sticker sheets. All the links for everything are in the description box below, so go check them out and gift your friends, families, kids, teens, you name it, it's perfect for everyone. So, check out the links below. These are the stickers that was ordered through my Shopee account, plus some gifts that I'll be giving to my mom's colleagues and some of my friends. So yeah, I'm really enjoying packing your orders and seeing people interested with my art. So please, if you do have the time, support my growing business by sharing it with your friends, family, or whoever. You don't have to purchase anything, just share it with them, share it with anyone. I promise it's very highly appreciated and I'll dedicate a happy dance just for you. And again, for those who ordered through my shop, I just want to say a huge thank you for appreciating my artwork. I hope you guys or any one of you that purchased this, that you really enjoyed the stickers that you bought. And yeah, I'm really happy and excited of what you guys create with the sticker sheets. So thank you very, very much. So that's pretty much it for today's video. After wrapping my presents, my mom picked us up to go buy more presents for friends and families. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. As always, stay safe, stay creative, stay you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Merry Christmas, my friends.